Hello guys, welcome to our channel Techverse. Electrifying the world's transportation system is a huge undertaking, and if you want to succeed, you'll need all the help you can get. Elon Musk's burning ambition is to see off the last gas-powered vehicle on the road and replace it with zero-emission vehicles. While this juggernaut electric vehicle company continues to grow, Musk recognizes that collaboration here and a partnership there is required to achieve his goal. This is why it is teaming up with Mercedes to release a vehicle solely lacking in Tesla's lineup, a van. What are Tesla and Mercedes up to, and how will the electric van alter the automotive landscape? By the end of 2021, Musk's Tesla had shipped nearly 1 million electric vehicles. This was far more than the company's target of 750,000 units, which is fantastic news for the trillion-dollar automaker. The Model 3 and Model Y sedans account for the majority of the sales, with relatively small numbers of Model S and Model Y. The coming year and years will only help Musk advance his EV agenda, as Tesla's vehicle lineup will be significantly expanded. Tesla may soon add 4 more electric vehicles to its lineup in addition to the 4 it currently sells. There is the Cybertruck, the electric vehicle to cater to the pickup truck-loving crowd that boasts 500 miles per charge and a body made of steel. Tesla will also resurrect the electric car that started it all, the Roadster. Also rumored to be coming soon is the car for the masses, the Model 2, which Musk has confirmed will not be called the Model 2. It has been Musk's dream to build a practical electric vehicle that costs $25,000. When we look at Tesla's current and upcoming vehicles, we'll notice that one category is missing. This is an electric van category. This omission is glaring, as vans are a category of automobiles that sell a lot. These vehicles are important to the economy because they are primarily used as tools by small and medium-sized businesses and account for more than 80% of sales in the commercial vehicle market, which includes trucks, heavy trucks, buses, and coaches. As a result, vans are a category waiting for Tesla to disrupt. That is not to say Musk is not thinking about vans already. In an early 2021 interview, Musk revealed that Tesla could not resist making an electric van. Tesla electric van could become a reality. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has described the Tesla van in interviews. For example, in a podcast with Joe Rogan, who he likes to hang out with, Musk mentioned some of the van's features. Recall Tesla makes excellent solar panels. Musk, on the other hand, is adding solar panels to the electric van. What is Musk's motivation for putting solar panels on the electric van? He told Rogan that unlike a car, which has a limited surface area and produces little energy, a van has a large flat surface area, making solar panels on vehicles more practical. Musk, on the other hand, isn't just going to put panels on the flat roof because he's looking for ways to increase the number of panels the van can hold, thereby increasing the total amount of energy produced. The van has roofs that can slide out from the side when the van is stationary, expanding the surface area exposed to the sun by a factor of 3. This will net you 30 extra miles of range per day. This makes the Tesla van ideal for people who live in their vans full-time. They'll be able to charge their vehicle almost anywhere they can find the sun. The van is powered by the new 4680 battery made by Tesla. Previously, Musk had said that the arrival of the van depends on the tablet's battery. Now that most of the work on the new battery is done, the van is well on its way. The 4680 battery will enable the van to have an exceptional range, just like the Cybertruck, getting 500 miles between charges. There is, however, something peculiar with the Tesla van. Except for the Roadster, Tesla has been designing its car in-house, but for the van, the company has enlisted the help of an industry veteran with a lot of experience building vans. In a tweet about a Tesla electric van, Musk hinted at a partnership with Mercedes-Benz. And the collaboration makes a lot of sense for several reasons, which will be made to the advantage of the van buyers. CEO of Daimler, Dieter Zechner, confirmed that the two companies had held talks. During multiple interviews, the discussions involved Jerome Gillian, a Tesla executive who previously worked for Daimler. However, Gillian has since moved on from Tesla despite his business acumen and lots of achievements. Musk is very open to collaboration within the automobile industry. He doesn't consider other electric vehicle manufacturers to be competitors because he operates with the more the merrier approach to electric vehicles. As long as internal combustion engine vehicles are giving way, Musk is happy regardless of the brand of the EV. This is why Tesla will work with both new electric vehicle startups and established automakers. However, why is Tesla collaborating with Mercedes for its electric van in particular? As previously stated, the partnership makes sense on multiple levels. For one thing, this is not the first time the two companies have collaborated. Over a decade ago, Daimler and Tesla started working together, with Musk's electric automaker providing lithium-ion battery packs and charging technology for a Daimler electric smart car. Tesla also provided Mercedes with the electric powertrains used to power the electric Mercedes-Benz A-Class and B-Class electric cars. Tesla and Daimler have a deeper relationship than just working together on a few products. Earlier, Tesla became the juggernaut it is today. Daimler, the parent company of Mercedes, was an investor in Tesla. Back in 2010, Daimler acquired an equity stake of nearly 10% of Tesla, valued at $50 million. That was what made the collaboration between the two companies smoother. Daimler received a seat on Tesla's board of directors as a result of the investment. Daimler sold the shares in 2014, gaining almost $800 million in the process. Apart from the history between the two companies, this van collaboration is very strategic in terms of what each company brings to the table. Mercedes has decades of experience making luxury and high-performance vehicles. The brand has been trusted for generations all over the world. Tesla, on the other hand, offers industry-leading battery technology as well as a highly efficient and cost-effective manufacturing process. Tesla is the king of EV manufacturing with its gigapresses that save cost and time. Tesla is also throwing in extras like solar panels, autopilot, and an extensive network of superchargers. Other brands will soon be able to use Tesla's superchargers, but first-party EVs will still have some benefits. Furthermore, Mercedes-Benz already has a popular van line, the Sprinter, for which the company spent $500 million to expand its factory in South Carolina, where it builds the vans. Among its customers is Amazon, which ordered 20,000 units. Mercedes sells the Sprinter in a dizzying array of chassis lengths, roof heights, powertrain options, and interior fitment to meet the requirements of delivery companies and tradespeople in all. Some 1,700 combinations are possible. Among the Sprinter vans is the e-Sprinter, which is a battery-powered vehicle. However, when customizing your e-Sprinter, one issue that Tesla will assist with it is the range. When customizing your e-Sprinter, you have to choose between range and payload. To illustrate this painful point, if you settle for the version with a battery capacity of 55 kilowatt-hours, the e-Sprinter offers a total range of around 150 kilometers, and at that range, the maximum payload is limited to below 900 kilograms. However, if you need to transport more cargo, Mercedes can help you buy the extra cargo trim that takes 140 kilograms more, but the range drops to 115 kilometers. However, with Tesla's new battery, the e-Sprinter can get more range and become more competitive. So that's a wrap for today. Thank you for watching. If you would like to receive more updates, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. What do you think about the collaboration between Mercedes and Tesla van? If you have any questions, please share your thoughts below. Thank you for staying with us.